Jonny, can we just briefly talk about the condition that you suffer from?
Indeed, yes.
Can you tell us more about it?
Yeah, I mean, if people have seen me out and about, they'll have obviously seen that I look a little bit different from the norm. I don't know who norm is, but I look a little bit different to them. Basically what it is there's nothing there to hold or bind the skin, so any knocks or bumps or friction and the skin blisters and comes away.
You've had this condition since birth?
Yeah, it's a genetic condition. Both parents have got to have the faulty gene, and if they pass that down, you end up with someone with my condition. Some nights are better than others. I kind of catnap more than anything, you know. You kind of sleep for a bit, and then, I mean, most people are thinking when they turn over, it's an automatic reaction, where when I turn over, it's a major exercise. So you wake up and you turn over. Oh, it's just you stick. If a bandage comes off or something like that, you can stick to the bed. Your head sticks to the bed. Yeah. Don't know if I'll drink that way. Okay. Okay, I'm coming. Coming over. If I want to get rid of the pain and the discomfort, I take myself to imaginary places. If you can't get away for at least a few minutes or whatever, you couldn't cope. Right, picture this, everybody, picture this, right? Shut your eyes. We're on this mountainside, right? And it's a nice warm day, blue skies. There's the odd white fluffy cloud passing by, but basically it's blue skies. Slight breeze, and you're sort of sitting next to a stream, and the water's so clear you can hardly see it, but you can hear it rippling by. And just let the branches of the trees sort of fan you. And I sort of go somewhere like that, and it's just peaceful and everything's there.
Accelerate to about 150 knots. Exciting, isn't it?
Yeah, just sail free for a minute, just let me get myself composed.
Okay.
Not die and become spirit again, right? And my soul is free. I think I'd get bored if they say little angels sit on clouds plucking their little harps, you know, and that all day. I'll be up there getting them off their clouds, doing drops of 1,000 feet, then pulling up. I think you need to spice things up a bit.